our Biome project. And we're going to do it on the computers. And you will choose between the desert, the grassland, the taiga, the deciduous, the tropical, the tundra, or the aquatic biomes. And we'll draw for those later. But you're going to gather this information about the biome that you draw. And then you're going to put in a PowerPoint, a Prezi, or a Google presentation. And then you have to enhance it with Animoto, Thingley, GoAnimate, Powtoon, QR codes, or ZooBurst. So, or there was another one that Indiana this morning, she wanted to use like a sketch thing website. And so she's going to use a sketch website and then add it to her project. So if you have another one, just ask me. More than likely it's approvable. I'll ask you in a okay. There's going to be 4 days to work on the project. Today is day 1, and Monday is day 4. So like the day 4, we should be wrapping it up, getting ready to present. Because each group is going to have a certain biome, and then you're going to present that biome to the class, and that's how they're going to take their notes. That's how you're going to learn about each biome. Okay? And if you flip your rubric on the back, this is all the information that should be in your project. On the first page, you should have a title page with the title of what biome you have, all your group members' names, and then it says location of biome, so you should have a map. 2 examples, you can say where they are, the location of, if they're in South America, or you can name, like if you have different deserts, you can name the different deserts. You just need 2 examples, and then 3 illustrations. And that can be pictures off the website, or you can go to that one website that she was talking about and you can draw it if you want to. Then you need a brief summary overview of the biome, that's 12 points. Or all that is 12 points. And then the climate, you need the average high and the average low and the average precipitation. That's 12 points, or 10, yeah, 12 points. Then you have to have producers and consumers. You need 2 of each. You need to list their adaptations, and you need to illustrate them. That's a total of 20 points together. And then biodiversity and sustainability we haven't talked about yet, but you're going to look it up and look up what it is. And then you're going to tell the class, and then how does it affect that biome that you have. Okay? And then succession we just went over, and you just need to illustrate it in your biome. And you need to have 3 pictures, and to write a summary about the succession. And actually, last period, somebody found a website that said like deciduous forest succession. It has all this information. So just make sure you're searching the right things. You might find something that's very helpful. Just like last project, we have management stamps for day 1, 2, 3, and 4. If you don't receive these stamps, like today, if you don't receive day 1 stamp, then you have to come to tutorials on Thursday to get your stamp. Everybody understand that? That's 16 points. So the highest grade that you can make is an 84 if you don't receive all 4 stamps. You understand that, Andrew? Okay. Neatness and creativity. Just make sure it's unique to yourself and your group that you have. That's 10 points. And then partnership is something that you get to do as an individual. You get to rate your partners. So if you don't think your partner is putting enough effort and work into your project and you're putting in a lot of work, then you get to rate him from 0 to 10. So you can give somebody 0 points, and the highest grade they can make is a 90. But if you're not doing your work and participating, then there's probably going to be an alternate assignment. So I would make sure you're participating and working with your groups. Like I said, you're going to be in groups of 3. You get to choose your groups. I would choose your groups wisely and who you would be able to work with well and efficiently. And then our presentations are a quiz grade. So I have the rubric right here. And just some key points that I want to point out to you, that on one of your slides you need to list your resources. So if you pull a picture off the internet, you need to write what website you got that off of. And then partnership, just like you